President Obama's approval rating hitting bottom and anti-incumbent sentiment strong, Republican challengers will win statewide races for U.S. Senate, Governor, Attorney General, Treasurer, and Secretary of State. They may even flip the state Senate, even though districts were redrawn to maximize Democrat representation. It will be a good year.
It may be a good year if CD6 replaces chameleon Mike Coffman with moderate Andrew Romanoff, voters re-elect Governor John Hickenlooper, and send Don Quick, an experienced lawyer and DA, to the Attorney General's office. His opponent, Cynthia Coffman, is an inexperienced ideologue.
Please. Cynthia Coffman has over 2 decades of legal experience and is the state's chief deputy attorney general. Romanoff is too liberal for the district and should move back to Denver. Tired of liberal overreach at the state and federal level, polls have Republicans running ahead in statewide races.
Cynthia Coffman is a political hack. Her decades of legal experience have been entirely political. Don Quick for Attorney General and Joe Neguse for Secretary of State. Neguse will protect voters' rights, while former El Paso County Clerk Wayne Williams won't. Vote for Don Quick and Joe Neguse and Betsy Markey.